So hello everyone, myself Amit Patel. So welcome to my YouTube channel in the playlist of Python programming language. So in the previous video we are just clearing the concept of variables. In the previous video we are discussing the concept of valid variable or invalid variable name, also the concept of the local variable or global variable with the help of practically example. So in this video we are starting on discussing the concept of operators. So we are creating a new IP binary file with the help of this particular new click on the particular Python 3. So they will create new file with name untitled. So I change this name day 3, and this is not the particular name. We are if you want to change the name, you also change like 3 Python or some different types of names. So day 3 Python. So our file is to be created. You can see our day 1 day 2 Python is to be this, and day 3 Python is to be this. So we are heading of this particular is to be operator. So this is our main heading. So we are declaring with the high priority with the large size. So after this we are you know the concept of the operator. There are 3-4 types of operator. The first one is to be the logical operator. There are 2 types of logical operator we have, like the AND operator or the OR operator. So we have OR operator. If the in the we are first are clearing the concept of discussing the concept of AND operator. So basically AND will give you the true value when both the values are true, but if one of the condition is wrong, so they will give you false. Just take example, like we are validating the person with the help of username or password. So in the AND case, if the username or the password is to be clear for the particular person, so you are valid for the login or some works. If your username is to be correct but password is to be wrong, so you are not be able to log in of our dashboard or some different kind of software or some applications. So the AND operator or the AND logical operator used in this particular case. If you are maybe a password is to be wrong but username is to be correct, sometimes your username is to be correct but password is to be wrong, so they will not give you the authorized to go particular dashboard. So, or maybe if your password or username is to be wrong, so you also not be able to go to the page. So we are clearing with the help of like true or false value. So first I am clearing the concept of true and true. So they will give you true because both the conditions are true, they will give you true answer. If your first condition is true but your second condition is false, like case your username is to be correct but the password is to be not correct, so they will not be valid for login purpose. So we are getting a false. So after this we are just first value is to be our false and second value is to be true, so they will also give you a false statement. If your first is to be false and also the second is also to be false, so they will give you false statement. So this is the concept of our AND operator. We are clearing with the help of 0 values, like we are clearing 0 with false and 0 with false. We are getting 0. We are getting like 0 and 1 is also 0. 1 and 0 is to be 0, but 1 and 1 is to be true. So this is the concept of logical operator. We are taking some real examples, like if your age we are creating age is to be 19. If your age is to be greater than 18, and like we are create more cells. In this cell we are making a name is to be Amit. So we are creating more functionality here. So in the age, first we are creating like if your age is to be greater than 18 and your name is to be Amit, so they will give you name is to be not defined. Why this is to be? So we are not execute this particular cell, so our output is to be wrong. This is the end case true condition because our first statement and the second statement both are true. So you are validate for validate means you are login purpose example, but this is the different example. If your age is to be 18 and name is to be Amit, so the true value is to be get on the output, but your age is to be not like we are creating here a 17, so or here you are just writing 18, so you are execute first this, so they will give you false because our first statement is to be false, so they will give you not true statement because in the end case all the values are true, you get true statement, otherwise all three cases are getting false value. So this is the case of end. We are like taking the example, both the conditions are wrong, so they also give you wrong statement, so false. So so logical operator is to be clear. After logical operator we are discussing the or operator. So this or operator is to be just different, or maybe some conditions are different with the and operator. So we are heading or, so we are making a heading with size is to be 3. So in the or operator we are just clearing with the help of some examples, like in some cases your validation is to be based on one parameter, like your one parameter is to be true, you get the validation. Like I give you example like Aadhaar card or mobile number. So if your Aadhaar card is to be correct but your mobile number is to be not correct, so you will be able to go to the particular place or some go to the particular website page. So this is the condition. If you are maybe some like mobile number is correct but Aadhaar number is to be not correct, so also that time you are be able to go to the particular case or some conditions or area. So if your Aadhaar card number and the mobile number is correct, you also able to do. And if the one of the condition is that your Aadhaar number and mobile number both are incorrect, so in that case you are not be able to do any kind of work. So they will get you false statement because your both of the conditions are false, you get false. Otherwise in one of the condition is to be true, you get true, and two conditions are true, you get true statement. So we are doing this with the practical. So with the help of true false we are clearing these concepts, like we are first creating true or true, so you get true statement. Your first statement is true or the second statement is false, you also get in this case true statement. Your first statement is to be false but second statement is to be true, again you get true value, but the last case is that you false, or maybe second is also false, you get false statement. These three statements are giving you example like true value, but the one is to be getting false value. In the end case we get true in the one case, like both are true, but in the or case we get false in both are false. So we are taking the real example, like 5 7 is greater than 5, or 5 6 is greater than 4. So these two values are true, you get true value. But in the second case 6 is greater than 4, or 5 is greater than 8, in this also you get true because one of the condition is true but second is not true, so you get true all statement. If your first statement is to be wrong, like 5 is greater than 7, or the 6 is greater than 4, first statement is true but second is to be not true, we get true statement because one condition is true, so they will get you in the output true statement. If your first statement is to be wrong, or the second one is to be also wrong, so they will give you false statement. So this is the concept of logical AND operator or operator. In the next video we are just clearing the concept of like the arithmetic operator, plus operator, minus operator, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finding some if you want to find the remainder of the data, two values, if you want to find the quotient of the data. So we are clearing the concept of arithmetic operator. And in that after few videos we are just clearing the concept of like like we are clearing the concept of or discussing the concept of equal operator, greater equal operator, lesser equal operator, or some different kinds of operators. So thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. So bye bye.